How to use Spotify. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to use Spotify on your device. Do watch the video till the end and without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, ensure to install and download the application on your device and then log in or sign in to your account using the on-screen prompts. Then you will land on the home page of Spotify. This is what the app's homepage look like. Here you will be able to browse new albums and podcasts according to your interest. If you see something that interests you, you can easily tap on any one of the playlists and here you can easily tap on the play button and you can easily listen if you like. You can tap on three dots on this playlist. You can listen to music at free, but make sure to listen to music at free. You need to have your premium Spotify account. You can easily add to your library as well if you wish to. If you wish to download or listen this song offline, tap on the download icon and here you can tap on explore premium button and get the premium feature and you can easily download it and listen to offline of this music. If you wish to browse music by genre, mood, decade, or theme, tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen. And here you can easily browse all of them and select the category. Once you select the category, you can easily tap on the playlist, then play and listen the music on your device. If you wish to share this music with your other friends, you can tap the three dots again, tap on the share button and here you can easily copy the link or share it to your friends or family using this social medias. To create your own playlist, you can tap on library at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the plus button at top right corner of the screen and tap playlist button. Here you can easily give the playlist the name like DJ and tap the create button. On your playlist, you can easily add any kind of music that you want on your playlist tapping on add to this playlist button. Here you can easily choose any song or music and also tap on the search bar at top of the screen and you can easily search for the songs you would like to add on your playlist. Or else when you open your favorite person's or the artist profile, you can either tap on the plus icon as well at top right corner of the screen and it has already been added to your playlist. You can easily go back and check it as well. So, to explore the music and podcast, tap on music button at top of the screen or tap the podcast icon as well. You can either tap on the profile at top left corner of the screen and view your profile. To make any changes, tap on edit button and edit it. Come back to this section and go to the profile again. To add any account, you can tap add account and add another account as well. To have your listening history, tap listening history as well. To get the latest notifications about your favorite artist, you can tap on the search icon again here and then tap on the persons or the artist here. Tap on the follow button and once you follow them, you can easily get the notifications of what they have uploaded on Spotify. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, like and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.